Ready? Ready? Okay. Nose. Nose. Mouth. Mouth. Okay. Chin. Chin. Cheek. 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 Eye. 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 Ear. 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 That's right. That's right. You got it. You're 100% correct. Can we do it one more time? Nose. Nose. Mouth. Mouth. Chin. Chin. Drool. Drool. He thinks that camera is something to eat. See? He thought that was funny. What's mommy doing?
No, not that.
It was the baby.
Even if it came as an answer to what's mommy doing.
Ooh. Nose. Nose.
Hair that fell out of the nose from the t-shirt. We didn't really fall, Daddy.
Oh my God. Of course
Daddy!
You had to burn this one.
Oh. What did you do there, baby boy?
Look what I found. Wait, here's another one.
We'll be rich.
This is just from today.
We'll be rich, baby, if you're pooping those. Okay, say bye-bye to the camera so we can change the poopy diaper. I love you. I love you. Look at you, how cute you are. I see a little bit up there. Thank you very much. Oh. Oh.
Of course you feel good.
Well, when you said before there was a little poopy in the diaper, I thought he wasn't done. So do we consider this as a different poopy or part of that same poopy? Superstar! You're a superstar! Yes, you are. Are you waving? Are you waving?
I think he's reaching for the string.
You're reaching for the string? We gotta get some DVDs for these movies. So it's not working today.
What is it, baby boy? What is it?
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
It's mine now.
He got the camera.
He's pulling it in. He's reeling it in.
There you go. I think that's the first thing you're trying to put in your mouth like that, besides your hand alone. And we have it on camera. Okay, say bye-bye, baby.